I have the bear. You walk into the studio.
What is that?
The crib. I mean the walking chair.
Uh-huh.
And this is the crib.
Mm-hmm.
And the table.
What table is that for?
For changing diapers.
Awesome.
Okay, I'm gonna open this. So I have the baby, that's me, Golda, and you, and my daddy.
What are they doing?
They're watching the baby.
Oh, where's the baby? Is that the baby? What's the baby doing?
Sleeping. I think she don't need her baby. Yes, she does. Sleep. Oh God. God. It's over. It's good.
What do you think, Mia?
Great.
Yay!
I have twisted. Bookworm.
Bookworm! Awesome.
A backpack.
What's that?
A backpack.
Let me see.
What do you think it's going to be, Mommy? Oh, that was just the time. Oh. Got this one! Where's the checklist? Oh, it's right here. Sorry.
Okay, who did you get again?
The backpack, the baby, this keychain.
Let me see. Let me see the baby again. What's her name?
Don't remember. So I got a video game thingy, and I got the cute little baby, a backpack, the table, my daddy, my mommy, me that's grown up, and me with my teddy bear, and me that's a baby. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope you subscribe for my channel. Bye.